Hi guys. Today I am showing you a big protractor, which is used in art. So this is the protractor. How is referring? There is a main scale unit in which you have 1 to 10 centimeters, and then there is a D type which is attached to the protractor. There are also numbers and degrees 90 to 180 degree in it. You can also rotate the main scale and make yourself comfortable. First you have to put the protractor on the page. You are going to draw something, then you have to move the angle in which you want. We have to make sure that the mark on the main scale and the mark on the day are equal. In this way we can make an accurate angle. Then you have to draw the line where you want, and the angle you want on your page will be ready and waiting for you. I hope you like it. So like, share and subscribe for more.
Wink, wink.